Let me say something that may shock you. Buying into a big IPO in Nigeria can either make you feel like a genius or make you lose sleep at night. Right now, many Nigerians are excited about the Dangote Refinery IPO. So people are already saying this one is automatic profit. But I need you to purse. Yes, I need you to purse. I have noticed that a lot of people who have never invested before, people who don't understand brokerage accounts, valuations, or even how the stock market works, they are already preparing to put their hard-earned money in. And that worries me. Let me tell you a short story. So I had these two friends who heard about a big listing. One rushed because everyone was talking about it. Then the other one waited and studied about it. 6 months later, one was frustrated and the other one was calm. The difference wasn't luck, it was knowledge. So welcome to Money Mindset with Ima, where we teach you that money starts with your mindset. I'm Immaculata, a financial advisor with over 8 years of experience helping Nigerians build financial freedom. So on this channel, we break down investing, smart money decisions, and also wealth building strategies that actually work here in Nigeria. So if this is your first time here, press that subscribe button, turn on your bell notification so you never miss an important money update. So and today I need to speak honestly. If you are thinking, let me quickly buy Dangote shares before it becomes expensive, I need you to pause. The market does not reward excitement. No, not at all. It rewards understanding. Let's be real here. In Nigeria, we don't like missing out. No, we don't like missing out at all. When the dollar was rising, people rushed. When crypto was booming, people rushed. When MMM was trending, people still rushed it. So now the name Dangote is involved. It sounds powerful. Yes, it feels safe. But ask yourself, are you buying because you understand the numbers or because you are afraid of missing out? Imagine putting your hard-earned savings in it. 2 weeks later, the price drops 15%. Your portfolio turns red. Your heart starts racing. You see, that panic doesn't come from price movement. It comes from ignorance. Price fluctuations are normal in the stock market. Corrections are normal. But when you don't understand the market cycles, every dip feels like disaster. And here is something important. Nigeria is not America. Our market behaves differently. Liquidity can be tight in Nigeria. Big IPOs can rise from excitement. Then it corrects itself. So if you enter without understanding everything, you will panic. And if you enter with clarity, you will be calm. So as an advisor, I don't recommend stocks because they are trending. Before I advise clients, I look at the overall market direction, the strength of the sector, liquidity, company fundamentals, institutional activity. If timing is wrong, I will wait. I will not recommend it because my job is not to excite people. It is to protect them. Let me say something deep. Frustration in the market does not come from price drops. No, it comes from lack of knowledge. And when you understand what you are doing, you sleep well. Even when the market dips, you will sleep well. And this is why guidance matters. Yes, this is why guidance matters. You wouldn't perform surgery on yourself, would you? You wouldn't diagnose yourself on YouTube and then start injecting medication. So don't perform financial surgery on your savings. After big IPOs, what often happens is that early investors may sell. Price will fluctuate. Excited buyers will panic. And then money will quietly move from impatient people to disciplined people. The market transfers money from emotion to patience. I'm not saying don't invest in Dangote Refinery. That is not what I'm saying. It may be the strong opportunity for you, but opportunity without understanding becomes stress. So my emphasis is that you should study about it. Build knowledge first. understand how the market works first. So don't invest your rent. Don't invest your rent money in this IPO. Don't invest because everyone is shouting. Invest because you understand. Wealth is not just about making money. It is about having peace while making the money. So, if this message spoke to you, give us a like, share this video with someone who is rushing into the IPO, and then drop a comment. Are you buying immediately or you are waiting strategically? And if you need structured guidance, then reach out to me using the link in the description. Here on Money Mindset with Ima, we don't chase noise. We build wealth with wisdom. So remember this, money has a mindset. So think smart, act wisely, and grow your wealth always. Thank you for watching. Bye.